Hi guys, now we will talk about the TikTok application, and now we will show you how to create voiceover feature and add it for your TikTok. So let's go to this app. Right now we are on our profile page, but we are going to create a new video after tapping on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. So to start new shooting, let's pick on the red central key. 1, 2, 3, and tap on the check mark to save this video. Perfect! So right now we can go to the voiceover section at this right side of the screen. Amazing! And now we have this option like to keep original sound. You can just not to do and start the voiceover option, voice recording, if you want to save your original sound and add the voice, the second voiceover you created TikTok. But if you want to disable and delete your original sound to make your video silent before voice recording, you can smoothly tap on the dot here at the bottom panel of the screen to turn off your original sound. And right now we can start our voice recording. So we have this white line, and we have to drag it to the right or left side, stopping it on the time when we want to start our voice recording. So I will do it and stop it here. So to start voice recording, as I said, let's tap on the central red button and say something like "Hi guys" to check the result after. Hi guys. As you can see, to stop this voice recording, I tapped on this on the same central button again. And to check the result, I want to drag this white line at the beginning of the video to check it all, and after I need to press the central play key. I'm so sorry, I forgot to turn on my phone sound, so let's do it again. Hi guys! At the very beginning of the video, and on the play key. Hi guys! As you can see, we have our smoothly and successfully added voiceover. To save it, let's tap on the save option at the top of the screen. And voila! We have this voiceover. We can go to the next section to add our video to the drafts or to post it on our profile page, but don't forget that you can smoothly to disable our voiceover. So let's go to this section again and just tap on this arrow. This arrow will delete the last voiceover you have added. So let's click on it one time to disable it. And perfect. Now our video is absolutely silent. Let's tap on the save option again. So right now you know how to use this voiceover feature, and we hope that this video was useful and interesting for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out more cool tricks and TikToks, tricks and tutorials about the TikTok application and other features of your phone. Bye bye guys!